Hey there, good day to you. This is John Hooks, and welcome to my review of Profit Resolution. Profit Resolution is a bundle package of 11 different softwares, and so let's talk a little bit about it. We're also going to do a demo video on it. And to start off with, let me get you over here to my bonus page where you will have access to the additional information, to my bonuses, and other information about this product today. So from YouTube, go ahead and click on the link beneath this video that says, get my exclusive bonuses and Profit Resolution here. Click that link and it'll take you to the page that you are seeing right now. All right. And so basically, from the vendor, let me help you kickstart 2023 profitably. Get one-click access to our 11 automated apps that made us over $500,000 in 2022. All yours this new year at a massive 99% discount. All right, so as you see, you're getting 11 different apps, and we'll name those in a moment. All right, and so basically, here we are here. 11 ultra profitable products that covers every passive income source in 2023. We bundled all of our top performing products of 2022 and giving you the chance of getting them for a massive discount. These are not just random apps. Each app generated an average of $80,000 in sales and generated hundreds of success stories. This is the biggest bundle deal in 2023, and here's the list. So ClickCash Extended, CryptoPayz Extended, CloudDrive Extended, TVPayz Extended, Swirl Extended, TubePayz Extended, FreebieCash Extended, Interaction Extended, GooglrCash Extended, PhotoPayz Extended, and Maxima Extended. And the extended in all of these means it's not just the front end. You have, additional upgrades to those. So let's go take a look at the demo video, and then we'll be right back with this.
Hello, you're welcome to this tutorial video. In here, I'm gonna walk you through how to make use of Profit Resolution. Profit Resolution is an all-in-one software which incorporates about 11 amazing and impactful software which we have designed over time. This software allows you to access other software products like Maxima, TVPayz, Swirl, CryptoPayz, among others. So now, once you're able to log into your account, this is exactly how your dashboard will look like. And on the sidebar here, you're going to have dashboard, you have my products, you have support, upgrade, and bonuses we have for you, right? So once you come here, you just click on my products here. And immediately you'll be taken to this interface here where you have all the products listed out for you. We've got Maxima, CryptoPayz, TVPayz. You see we have TubePayz, we have Swirl, FreebieCash, we have ClickCash, Interaction, GooglrCash. We also have CloudDrive, we have PhotoPayz, like that. So you can actually create your account by yourself by clicking on register. Okay, now let's start with CryptoPayz. And then you'll be taken to this interface where you have to input your name, username, email, and password here, right? So now your account must have been successfully created, and then you can now log into your account, right? So what you do is to just input your email here, Isaac Michael at gmail.com. Then your password, and you click on login. And then you will be able to have access to your dashboard immediately, right? And this is the CryptoPayz dashboard here. then you can now make use of all the features that are embedded and integrated into CryptoPayz for you, right? This is so beautiful. This is amazing. I mean, this is highly revolutionary. So now let's go back. So it is that simple. All you have to do is to, come to each of the software and click on register. You create your account, and then subsequently you log in with the details you've used to create your account. Like that, you can do that with TubePayz, Swirl, FreebieCash, GooglrCash, Interaction, ClickCash, CloudDrive, PhotoPayz, like that. It is very simple. It is all in one. So now right here, you can as well come to our support. You can, send out any inquiry. You still want to know more about any of the software, you can easily reach out to us through the support here. And as well, you want to upgrade any of your accounts, you can just click on the upgrade here, and that will be done for you automatically, right? And we have a whole lot of bonuses for you. And the moment you click on the bonus here, of course, you're going to be able to access the bonus packages that we have for you. So that is it about Profit Resolution. Thank you very much.
All right. And so there you go. Now, let me also tell you that when you click on any of the banners on my bonus page here, it will take you to the page where you will get a full description of each of these softwares here. All right. And so that you know exactly, what they are. You can kind of tell by the name on a few of them, what they do. But full description when you click on any of the red banners on my page. And of course, to go ahead and pick up, Profit Resolution, go ahead and click on any of the red banners on my page here. So let's talk about what this is going to cost. So $17 on the front end. And then there are a number of upsells or one-time offers. No particular description was given for these, but by the name of them, most of them are easy to figure out. So OTO number 1 is the unlimited edition. OTO number 2 is the done for you edition. OTO number 3 is the automation. OTO number 4 is the swift profits. OTO number 5 is limitless traffic. OTO number 6 is franchise edition, and OTO number 7 is the multi-income edition. Now, each of these also will have full details. Once you purchase the front end, you will then get details on each of these additional offers that you see here. And this, of course, comes with a 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee. All right, now, I have some bonuses for you. For when you purchase through my banner today. And so bonus number 1, I'm going to give you some traffic, 5,000 visitors to any URL, plus 2,500 text ads, plus 2,500 banner impressions. Bonus number 2, sales copy secrets, how to write a compelling sales letter that converts. So not only a sales letter, but you can use this for emails also. And that's a digital flip book edition. Bonus number 3, affiliate marketing revealed. Bonus number 4, learn how to build a big email list fast with Lightning List. Bonus number 5, our winter traffic rotator gives daily traffic to any URL. Okay, winter traffic. And I do have the demo video that you just saw on this page here. So if you wanted to go back and take a look at it, just bookmark this bonus page. You can come back and view this as many times as you would like. So go ahead and click on any of the red banners on my bonus page here to get access to the additional product information, and also to get access to Profit Resolution itself. This is sold on the Warrior Plus platform. So once you go through your secure checkout, you'll end up on the Warrior Plus purchase page, where you'll click on the green button to access Profit Resolution. And you'll click on the blue button to access the bonuses that I presented to you for purchasing through any of my banners on this page here today. Okay, so that is pretty much it. I want to take the time, thank you for taking your time to watch this video today. Hopefully it's something that's intriguing to you. You get a lot of software, a lot of value for just $17. So take advantage of it if you can. That is it. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and as always, to your success.